Hi everybody, Wendy here from Lolly Dolly Crafts. Today the video I've got for you is from a company called Beebeecrafts. They very kindly reached out to me and asked me if I would like to select a couple of their items online and have a look for them. So what I did, I went online and I picked two kits is what I went for. So I've got this kit, which is a hairbands and bows kit, which I will show you, and then I'll do another video for the other kit. I'm just filming. You just have to excuse my croaky voice. I would have done this video sooner, but I've had a bad throat, lost it altogether. It's back, but it's still a little bit croaky, as you can hear. So anyway, so yeah, this company is called Beebeecrafts. They sell absolutely loads and loads of different things, from kits to jewellery, jewellery findings, loads and loads. Absolutely brilliant shop. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to open this kit and show you. It's absolutely amazing, and the amount of stuff that comes in this kit is amazing. And what I'll do is I will leave the link below to this particular kit and to how much it cost. Okay, so I'm just going to take all the goodies out. You get absolutely loads and loads of hairbands, absolutely loads that you can work with. So, okay, and lots of different. Right. So what we've got here is all the hairbands that come in the kit, loads of them. So, and look, loads of different colours. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 hairbands in different colours. Okay, so you've got 2 green, 2 white, 2 pink, a purple, a red and blue. Three pinks actually. Oh, that's good because I'm definitely a pink girl, and a yellow. Okay, so I'm just going to put these to one side. Oh, okay, and then we can go through and have a look what else comes in the kit. So what you get in the kit is embellishments in order to decorate your headbands. Okay, so I'm just going to open these so you can see. They all come in this lovely little bag, so they're all, you know, nice and clean and packed well. So here we've got these lovely bows. That's the green one, purple, oh sorry, and white. Oh, that one seems to have lost out. I'll put that out of the way. I can sort that out in a minute when I find it. Yeah, there's a white one, a pink, a maroony type colour, a red one, 2 red ones, black one, yellow, another maroon one, and then this lovely orange one. Okay, so you get those. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then the white one, 10. Okay, and in the next bag we get these lovely like rosette type flowers. Oh, these are so cute, and you can put like a pearl inside the middle of these. They're so nice. So you get a blue one, a white one, this lovely green lime sort of colour, pink one, and then this like pale ivory colour. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. And then in your kit you get this little bag of doodads. Excuse me. Try not to be too croaky. Okay, you get this lovely bag of doodads, all different colours, blues, purples, light blue, dark blue, black, that's sort of like the goldy brown, silver, not black, green. So you get a nice bag full of doodads. Lovely, really nice. You also get some feathers, a lovely selection of feathers. You get these, I'll just take one out, these really lovely orange ones. Okay, and then you get these, I'm not quite sure what these ones are called, but they're obviously they colour them. not, you know, where they whoever produces them makes them this lovely gold colour. Not lush. I think there is, yeah, there's some in like a teal blue, which I absolutely love. It's one of my favourite colours. Just blowing them to so that lovely teal colour. So you can you know, use a like that on a headband. I am going to do a tutorial showing, you know, some crafts using you know, a selection of my own crafts plus everything that, you know, that's in this kit, just so I can give you an idea of what you could do, you know, what you can do. And then you also get some of these really lovely darker blue. It's really hard to see, but they're a darker blue feather. I just love it, but it's a like really fluffy hair. And sorry, then got the spotty bit there. So we've got those ones. And then after that, you've got a lovely selection of ribbons, absolutely lovely. I'll show you that in a minute. So you've got some lace here. Now don't worry about it if it's this is a little bit crinkled, because what I've got here, which I'll just show you, these are my hair straighteners. Okay, and if you've got any lace or that's come packaged and it's a bit crinkly, just don't put it on hot, okay, because you don't want to. And then just use your straighteners to straighten the ribbon, and it works perfectly. It just takes out all the creases. So it's just a little because obviously now we've got this lovely straight bit here, and then we've got this bit crinkled, so it always looks better when it's been done. There we go. I'm just pulling it through, and it's on a low heat, and there we go. That's a beautiful ribbon. Okay, let's go. Sometimes when you get, you know, when it's in packaging and everything, so all you need to do then is like wrap it up, and it's all nice and ready for using. Okay, so you've got that one. Okay, then you've got these lovely butterfly bows, absolutely stunning. These would be the ribbons. Look at these. Oh, I love them. They are so pretty. Look at those. Aren't they gorgeous? So there's a pink one, and then there's this orange and pink one. Isn't that lovely? They are absolutely gorgeous. I love them. And you've got some these like the little you know, black bits that you add to your headbands, you know, the circles, the felt circles, in order for you to you know, just hide any of the gubbinses behind when you're making. So there's a bag of those. Okay, and then we have some more ribbons, and the kit's all, you know, nicely coordinated for you to use. So we've got some absolutely lovely. Let me just, oh sorry, I'm just gonna get my scissors. Cut this tape off. Okay, so you've got this. This says, oh gosh, oh, it says handmade. Oh, lovely, but it's got ladybirds. It's got ladybirds, bumblebee, a giraffe. And don't worry, like I said, about these, you know, the little where it's been creased. Just run it through your, and it will take out those creases. Okay. If ever I'm using ribbon, I always have my hair straighteners on hand. Okay, so there's that one, which says handmade, and then we've got this one, which is absolutely gorgeous, pink cupcakes and strawberries. How cool are they? Cupcake and strawberries. Oh, sorry about that. yeah, it's my autofocus. Sorry, I'm using a new webcam. I'm not too sure about it yet, but it's just it's a Logitech HD one. Anyway, yeah, so this has got lovely little cupcakes on it and strawberries. So there's that one. Then we've got this lovely summery one in yellow. Again, like I said, these coordinate beautifully. So isn't that lovely? So you can make bows out of these. And then this lovely green. And this is all grosgrain. This is all grosgrain ribbon. Great, best thing for ribbons because they sorry, for bows, because they're so stiff, so they hold their shape really well. So we've got this beautiful lime green colour. Okay. Don't know what's happened to the colour on my on that one. It seems to have gone a bit funny. And then in this little bag, I've got this beautiful dotty, pink and dotty. Oh, pink and dotty. Isn't that gorgeous? Looks like people in the UK will know who I'm talking about. A kids' TV character called Mr. Blobby. That looks like so cute. And then we've got this pink grosgrain. These are great for if you're making the bows for going around them like that. Okay, so that's when you've made the bows. So there's that lovely grosgrain one, and then we've got a purple lilac and then a lot darker purple ribbon, and then we've got this lovely dotty, loads in this one, lovely dotty ribbon, which is quite stiff. And again, don't worry about it that it's camel crinkled, because like I said, all I do is get my trusty straighteners and just run it through, and it will see, it will just straighten it out as long as you know what you're doing. It will straighten it out perfectly. Oh. Like I said, you don't want to burn it, so don't have it on too high. Let's do it this way. There we go, see? So it just straightens it. So I should do that one later, but this is a lovely ribbon, red with dots on it. There's loads of it, great for making different bows. And then we've got this really lovely, it's already been made, but you can add, it's a crown, so you can add it to, let me find the pink. It's already got you can use it yourself, and then, or you can just add it to just needs a bit of a reshape where it's been, or you can add it to a headband, or just clip it in. And how cute is that? I'm not sure if this actually comes in the kit or whether the ladies from Beebeecrafts. So there we go. That's my first kit from Beebeecraft. So I will do a video using some of these crafts, making the bows, and using the headbands, and also yeah, some of my goodies. Okay, so you can see how you can use them. So thanks for watching. Bye for now, and I will see you soon. Bye.